is going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel once again. Oh shit, this is my second video already. I just wanted to make this one quick video real quick, just to talk about my bike and show you. Well, I talked about my bike on the last video. I just wanted to show it to you guys. I actually realized that I didn't show it to you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Where can we stop? Behind the street or the other way, right? Yeah. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna talk to you about my bike real quick. There's not really much to show you guys because it's pretty much stock, but I do have some modifications. Sorry, I just ate. Alright guys, well, first things first, I installed these LED turn signals, and they're flushed against the body or frame. I don't know what you call it, or whatever. I mean, yeah, pretty much frame. There's not really much fairings on this bike. But yeah, I took off those big old alien head turn signals that were stock. They were like sticking like all the way over here, and then it was like this big old ball. It looked like an alien head. So I took those off for this flush LED turn signals. I just haven't figured out how to freaking make them into turn signals. Like, they are turn signals, and I installed them, they just don't flash. Like, I have my turn signal on right now and it's not blinking, so I gotta figure that out before I get stopped. Next up, I got my brake and clutch lever. They're Japanese or Chinese, I can't remember, but I bought them off Amazon. They're the MZS. I mean, yeah, they're from Amazon. They were 35 bucks, I think. So that's that. You know, I can't really talk much about them, but they do the work. The only thing is that the clutch gets freaking stuck here once in a while, or when the bike gets wet. But I think I can just get rid of that by adjusting it or lubing it. You know, I think I gotta buy a lube. And then I have these as well, Amazon. They're actually the same brand as the levers, but they were these bar and mirrors. Now this ones were kind of hard to install because on the ad, on the description, it shows you that it's for FZ07 from 2014 to 2018, which is this is it. But they don't fit in the bar ends, and the little connectors they give you, they don't work, because this one actually has a thread. The other one, the connectors they give you don't have a thread. So I kind of rigged this ones. I looked up a guy on YouTube that actually installed the same bar end mirrors, and he put like a little PVC pipe at the beginning over here, and then he just used the same stock bar end, the little butt, and then that's how you got it mounted, and that's exactly how I got it mounted. Just this one was pretty loose, so I had to put something else under it, that way you can tighten it tighter, and it's tight now. It's not going anywhere. They're pretty good. Only at like high speeds, once you go over like 100, they'll start moving. But other than that, they're pretty good. You know, they're not like, they don't vibrate as much as I thought they were. So that's that, you know. And like I said, they're the same brand, the MZS, as far as same as the levers. And then next, I got the ramp mount phone holder. You know, I mean, there's not really much. It's not really a mod. It's just an accessory. And then probably one of my second favorite thing that I've done to the bike is the integrated LED turn signal, and then the fender eliminator kit that I got from TST Industries. I'm gonna put a link in the description, that way you can guys check it out. And they have other other stuff, and for other bikes as well, not just for Yamaha. But I mean, I love it. Look, I'm gonna show you the turn signal. I don't know if you guys catch that, but it's already integrated in the tail light, and it just cleans up the whole bike, because that thing, the fender was like all the way over here, and it was ugly as hell, you know. And as well as the plate holder, that license plate holder, that one is it tightens up the back of the end of the bike, you know. It makes it look nice. What else? Oh, that's it. I mean, I got this little thing right here. I don't really know what it's called, but it's just for the reservoir to keep it in place. It has another one on the other side, because okay, so what happened is I took off the passenger foot pegs because they were kind of sticking out over here, and I didn't like the way it looked, to be honest. Once I installed the integrated taillight and then the fender eliminator kit, it kind of made it look nice, but then those things were just sticking out, you know. So I had to get rid of them, and that just makes it look pretty nice, I think. And then this reservoir was connected to the peg, so I had to get these regardless, you know. So in order for me to take it off, I would have to buy this, because I actually had it zip tied. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a line right here where the zip tie was at. It was just zip tied right here, but then this was just like loose, so I didn't want to have that, you know. And then my favorite part, or my favorite mod that I've done to the bike so far, and that is the exhaust. It is a full exhaust system. It is by IXIL silencers. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name right. It is spelled IXIL silencers. I am gonna also put a link in the description so you guys can check it out. This motherfucker sounds amazing, guys. Like, I cannot emphasize enough how happy I am that I made this purchase. I was gonna buy, like I said in my other video, I think, that I was gonna buy the Two Brothers, what's it called, the S1R, I think that's what it's called. That one sounds pretty good, because I know there's this one YouTuber that has a FZ07 with that exhaust, and it sounds pretty nice. And I've actually heard him because he's from here, from where I'm at, from Dallas. So I've seen him in person in a bike meet, and it sounds pretty good. But man, this one doesn't compare to it. Let me tell you, this motherfucker is loud. I do have the dB killers removed. I don't know if you guys can catch that with the GoPro. I didn't take them off. They actually fell off. So when I installed the exhaust, they were already on there and they were screwed, but I didn't realize that they weren't tight enough. So when I installed it, I just took off because I just wanted to hear it, and man, they just fell off. I was able to recover one. I have one at home, but I need the other one, because even with one, it's still pretty loud. And I already had people complain in my apartments. They already went to the office and complained about me being too loud with it. So I'm gonna have to contact that company and see if they sell these dB killers by themselves. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. What do I have in mind for this bike as far as mods? I want to wrap this tank. I don't want it white. I want to wrap it black. I was thinking of getting rid of the stickers, but they actually grew on me. I want to leave them there. I gotta remove this warning sticker, but yeah, I want to wrap it. And now if I wrap it, I'm gonna leave this on, you know, because when I take the wrap off, then I want this. I don't want to wrap this. I want to leave this red, and then this piece over here, I want to leave it red as well. And yeah, I think that's gonna make the bike look pretty nice, because I want to kind of blacked out with still the red, you know. And that's the kind of the theme I want to go for. Maybe I want to paint the rims red. I'm not sure yet. If I leave the tank white, then I could probably do white and red, the rims. I don't know, maybe we'll see. But I mean, as far as mods, that's pretty much it, guys. I don't really have anything else. I just wanted to keep this video short. So yeah, I mean, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel, and peace.
Ivan the producer.